Hello everyone, welcome to Being Finance Guy. Today we are going to showcase about how to build these amazing websites at a free of cost, that too for a lifetime. You can build this on your own in minutes rather than days. You are starting a new business or you want to showcase your services or portfolio, or you already spending thousands of rupees for maintenance and hosting. This one is for you. So let's quickly go through it, and before that please follow us.
So we are going to use Odoo platform, which is a SMB ERP provider, where we will be typing in first the Odoo website in the Google. So whatever the response coming in, select the first result. So that will take you to the Odoo website or Odoo apps. So so you can see this like your professional website in minutes. That means you can literally build the website in minutes. And let's scroll down a bit to see the more and more information. So these are like a set of components you have, and there is a AI sidekick that will help you like with a little bit of information to generate a complete website, so that you can modify according to your requirements, or else you can directly go live with whatever that got generated. So there's a 1 year free domain as well. That means once you build with the default URL, so you can modify or you can apply for a free domain. So these are the multiple apps offered by the Odoo, out of which we are going to select for website builder. So you can click on start now button, where you can see start now, it's free. So that will you can literally see here, free forever with unlimited users. So this applies to one app. So this will take you to a registration form. So registration, basically you need to give your information and what is the domain name, base domain name, and what is your email, mobile number, and other details. So if you have a company or any enterprise, you can directly give that name, or else if you are an individual, you can give your first and last name here. So I'm giving global consultants or global consultancy X, and currently I'm using a temporary mail from temp email generator, as it is a demonstration. So then my website name I'm giving as Glow Consultancy. So every website by default that gets generated here, it will come with your domain name or website name dot odoo.com. So odoo.com is a default one for whatever the website we create here. You can go live with that, or else if you have an existing website, even we can use that. So once we click on start now, so it will take you to the welcome page. So post this, it will take you to a four-step website builder page. So your base website got built already. So the four steps will take you the information and it will customize it. If you don't want this auto builder, you can skip it this step. So here I'm selecting a business website. You can build use it for multiple purposes, a blog, a online store, everything. So I'm selected a business website. Then I'm giving the nature of business as business consultants or consultancy. Okay, I'll change business consultation rather. So then what is the purpose we need to give? So for the purpose, so you need to click on enter there. So a tab, then the main objective is to get leads for customers. Then the next step is selecting a color palette. If you have a logo, directly upload your logo, that will automatically select a color palette. If not, you can select from the set of color palettes. So this is a key step here, where it will decide whether the website is going to be free or paid. So here I'm going to select the whatever the other than the below ones are paid generally. So as long as it is a free plan, so there is no need to worry. So once I select a few of the items, I will show. So let's say if I select an help desk, so that will make your app as a standard plan. That means it's only a 15 days trial plus paid. Again, the appointments applied to store locator. So even the live chat, because each the additional ones will trigger another app, so that makes it two apps. So once it is done, so that will take you to select the theme. So here there are n number of themes. So if you feel the above themes are not fit to your requirements, you can always like scroll down and click on the view more themes. So that will load a different set of themes. So each theme will have a different coloring plus styling, and how the way of information visible to your customers, like basically the look and feel of your website including the content. uh, so that will load, like you can see here, different types of templates of websites. So based on your requirement and how you based on your product display, you can select one of it. So that will like whatever the earlier color palette you selected, so that will apply to this template, and also it will generate some of the context based on the business data or business nature we have given, and it will build a website. So this is your website, that means your website is ready. So there is a one thing, I'm not activating this website as of now, so just using for demonstration. You can see that like all the information got already filled based on the business nature and the requirement we have given. So if you want, you can edit this in the business editor, and this is the contact form for capturing the leads details, and these are the services. So based on the pages we selected, the data gets filled here. So this is the editor mode here. So I will show how to edit as well at a higher level. So blocks are nothing but the components within each page. So each block in the each page, uh, there is a each component. So in each component you can select the widgets. So widgets you can modify, and also the text, images, everything you can change, including the font size, font style uh, of the page. So you can change the background animation and also the background color. I'm selecting one of the gradient, let's to see how it appears. And there's a themes also. So once you already selected a theme, but if you want to change the theme, you can come here and modify or update the theme. Let's say if I want to add another, let's say I have a 6 services. So here only the 3 cards are there. So if I want to add additionally another 3 widgets, I will select the above component, and I will add same component or a different component depending on the requirement. Yeah. So here these are the columns, like 3 columnar one. So I'm selecting it. So that got added here. So I need to update the service details and the images according to my requirement. So to update a email or image, so I can select or upload from my local system and um, update here. So net this is all the customization at a minute level we can do. So once I change, so each page we can do the SEO optimization. So that is as part of the configuration. So in configuration, you can see there is a domain name, where if you have a custom domain already, which is purchased outside, you can update here, because I haven't activated the website here, so that's why it's showing there. So there is a menu editor. So menu editor basically the set of items in the menu. So you can delete or rearrange these things, or you can add a new menu item in the header. So basically that header customization, and even the logo customization you can do. So this is a contact form, like each page to each page linkage, even that you can customize. This is a contact form where you can fill the details that will take to saves the data in your database. So you can see here in the below preferences, there's a my databases that will gets stored in your database. So once I click on my databases, okay, because I haven't activated the website yet, database is not yet created. Once you activate, it will automatically get create a website here. So again, I'll take you back to the um, I will show you like the subscription details, whether it is free or not. I will confirm you here. So once you go click on the account, so there is a my subscription here. So once you click on it, so it will show you that it's a one-app free plan part of, and your subscription is free forever with unlimited users. and there is nothing you need to pay extra. So that's how you can build the website in minutes, which is a free of cost at a lifetime, and you don't need to spend even 1 rupee for it.
Hit me like a ton of bricks.